To start cleaning my bedroom, I begin by making my side of the bed. I don't do it well done, I just kind of smooth things out and place the pillows where they belong. I was going to do Zach's side of the bed, but Tier jumped up and took it over, so I managed to move to the next thing, which was the clothes on the floor, and then I go into Zach's hutch where he keeps most of his liquor. A good chunk of the bottles are empty and need to be taken out and recycled. I just reorganized his hutch a little, but you can't really see it too much because I'm blocking the view. I couldn't fit the camera inside the hutch with me to show you what I was doing, so my apologies. I'm cleaning up the corner of the room that has majority of my sewing items and some of my watercolor painting books and just organize this section. Now for Zach's chair. It's a hot mess mostly because of me. I generally put my clean clothes here when I'm too lazy to put them back in the drawers, and that's usually because the drawers aren't always organized. I did organize the drawers off camera and took some long sleeves to put in the closet and anything we don't fit into donations. Here I am showing you the mess Zach likes to leave in the middle of the night. He's a nighttime snacker like me, but he also doesn't throw away his empties. Instead, he just leaves them there until it becomes too much for him to handle. Does anyone else have a partner who does this? While Tira's off the bed, I'm making Zach's side of the bed by basically doing the same thing I did on my side, which is just smoothing it out and putting pillows where they belong. Our glass cabinets are covered in things that don't belong there, so I'm just taking the things on top and putting them back where they belong. The bins under our bed have been there for years with me hardly even glancing at them. The first bin is full of toys I wanted to make crafts out of but just never got the time to do or procrastinated on. So I'm giving majority of the toys to my roommate's kids and the rest to donation. The next bin is filled with random stuff that majority I am keeping. From a collectible makeup palette to cross-stitching and embroidery items to fairy house toys. Majority I am keeping. When I got to this bin full of makeup, fake blood, paints, jewels, and glitters, I got a little overwhelmed and took only a few paints that dried up out and closed up the bin for the rest of the time. I just couldn't handle any more after this, so I figured I'll just do this some other time, maybe in the next video. After pulling out those bins, my floor was extra covered in fur and dust, so it needed a good vacuuming. This video was shorter than I expected, but I also expected dust and stuff, but I kind of forgot about it until I put these videos up on my computer. This is normal for me. I'll just off camera to make up for it though. And thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.